Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-October reading and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. So let's see. For those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Scorpions in the middle of October. Let's see, please. Angels, spirits and guides, please guide me for my Scorpions mid-October. Scorpios and their partners, Scorpios and their person, whosoever they are dealing with. What is going on for Scorpios? What is happening, please? All right. So at the end of the deck we have King of Cups with the Six of Pentacles. Okay, so it is actually looking to me as if so this is King of Cups, this is your energy, Scorpios, and we have the King of Pentacles on their side. So it is telling me that it is a very balanced kind of a relationship in which you are in, you as well as them. Both of you actually, you both want the balance. You want that if you are giving 100%, you want the same from the other person, because you are giving your 100%. There's a lot of love from your side, I'm seeing. But with this love, what comes with this love, when you expect, because love brings expectations, and that is what you expect from your person always. But you always do not get that kind of expectation the way you always want. So that is what I'm seeing over here. Your part, we have Seven of Wands, Ace of Pentacles and Nine of Swords. So this is your energy, Scorpio. So it is also telling me that it's always you who is ready to fight for the relationship. It's always you who is like, okay, I'm ready to do whatever it takes for this relationship to work out. I'm ready for this new beginning again. I'm ready for everything. And it's you only who cries at the night. It's with this relationship you actually become really afraid. You become fearful because if it might not work. So that is what you feel, that it might not work the way you want. So that is why it's like it's bringing goosebumps on your side, and you don't want that, obviously. Your person over here, Scorpios, I'm seeing that with the Six of Pentacles, and with this Four of Wands and Three of Swords, we have, they want it. They want this relationship to work because they want to give that love to you the way you love them. But there is some kind of gap between you both. In front of this, you might be married to this person. See these two cards, and in the middle of these cards we have Four of Wands and the Lovers. We have Three of Swords in between. See, Scorpios. So actually what is there, it's like, you want this person, they want you. Okay, they want you as their wife or husband. They want to be with you like rest of their lives. But there's always a but in between your relationship. It's like, they are still thinking for this relationship. Sometimes some things happen between you both that they have to rethink again about the relationship. And when you rethink about a relationship, that means that you are confused somewhere, somehow. And that is why they are not giving their 100%. They want to give, but still they cannot. So that is why they are in that unbalanced state. I'm seeing over here, they want to give, they see you as their life partner, they see you as their lifelong person. But it's like really tough for them that to accept, because they know that they hurt you. They know that. Okay, see, Nine of Swords with the Lovers over here. They know they have hurt you. They know that you love them. like anything, okay, but still it's like it's always them who hurt you, and at the end they are sorry for that, but still they can't say anything, they can't do anything, because they are still deciding. Okay, they are still in that deciding process, they do not know they want it, but still they are deciding. Okay, so you cannot force them right now, Scorpios. So whatsoever it is taking for them, it's taking so long for them to take a decision, because they have to think. See, their heart is with you, but from the brain, from their head, they are still thinking. They are like, some things are really that kind of aha moment. They're waiting for that aha moment to be with you for lifelong. The outcome I'm seeing with the star and the judgments, both are major arcana, so that means yes. So I'm seeing the hope which you have, because you have lots of hope. You really trust this God's process, and you trust on God, you trust this process, you trust in everything, because you trust in your love. That is what I'm seeing. You trust it in it, and that is why you are waiting for them to make a move now, because you have done everything, whatever it will take for this relationship to work. You have done everything. Now you are waiting for them to do to come from forward and to take a step ahead now. So you have done your part. Now it's their duty to do their part. The advice from the universe, Scorpios, is the sun with the page of swords. So communication is the key over here. That is what the advice is from the universe is telling me, that the key over here is the communication. So try to communicate, try to talk intellectually. You have to think from your mind somehow. It's not always the game of heart, it's sometimes you have to play from the mind as well. So that is what it is coming. If your relationship has just started, or it's in the process of working on, so give them time and give yourself time as well to think about this process, because you trust this. I know you trust this process, but sometimes you have to give some time. Sometimes you just need to communicate, because sometimes what happens, miscommunication happens. So that is why these problems arise. So if you can give them time, if you can give them space as well, that will be the best advice for you. Now let's see, what do we have? Queen of Wands. See, this is the action oriented queen, so action is needed from their side now. Okay, you have done your part. I'm seeing that, Scorpios, with the King of Cups. It's like you are feeling the emotions. You are emotionally connected to this person. You are emotionally, you are mentally, physically, everywhere, psychologically. You are attracted. You know that you love your person, but now it's their time to work, because they are coming towards you. They want it, but they're just thinking. Okay, so see the Empress with the growth. I'm seeing that with this growth and with this intellectual energy, with this action oriented energy, I'm getting that they are really building up their mind. And if they are thinking, you both are thinking for each other over here. So do not worry about this process. It is working, it will work. See the way you are waiting for them, because they are actually working on their selves. So your wait will be over one day. Okay, so you are waiting for them to come towards you. They will come and they will communicate. See, so such a beautiful sign. Three of Wands with the Eight of Wands. The wait will be over, the communication will happen, and it will happen fast. 8 weeks is a time, 8 days to 8 weeks I'm seeing is a time, is a very beautiful time for you. If your communication is not so much so fast, things really will become fast over here. Okay, so what do we have over here? We have Aquarius energy, we have Sagittarius, Aries, Scorpio, Libra, and Gemini, Leo. Those are the energies. We have Gemini again. So that is all from my side, my Scorpios. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.